Hello Pisces, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. Pisces, this is your reading for the rest of the year 2025 and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. In this reading, Pisces, we'll see what are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know. And there is an extended reading for this one. Link for the same is in description box and comment section. If you're interested in personal reading with me, getting done a personal reading with me, you can get in touch with me over the mail. The details of the same are in description box and comment section. All right. So let's get started now. This reading is applicable for Sun, Moon, and Rising and Venus. And all right, Pisces, let's see what you need to know for the rest of the year 2025. What you need to know for the rest of the year 2025. What are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know for the rest of the year? What are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know for the rest of the year? What are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know for the rest of the year? General messages and love messages you need to know for the rest of the year. Overall messages, overall general theme. Queen of Cups, your love life, we have the Magician. Career and finances, we have the Knight of Swords. Your health, we have the Moon. uh, if we have to talk in detail about your love life, we have Six of Pentacles and the Emperor. If we have to talk in detail about your career and finances, we have Ten of Wands and the Sun. Interesting. We have the Sun and the Moon. Bottom of the deck, we have the Tower card. Lot of major arcana, Pisces. You might be dealing with Virgo, Gemini. You might be dealing with Aries, Leo, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries again, Pisces. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the same. Okay. What is your overall energy for the rest of the year 2025, Pisces? We have Queen of Cups. So, Queen of Cups is this loving, caring, nurturing energy. But I do feel like this love, care, and nurturing energy is something that you are trying to show to yourself rather than showing it to others. Having said so doesn't mean that you're going to be rude with others, but you're just withdrawing your energy, your love, your care from others, and you're putting that everything into yourself. Okay, you are like, yeah, it's like I don't care what others say, I don't care what others feel. It is just that nobody is standing up for me, nobody is showing that love, care, and concern to me. Okay, so I better withdraw my energy from others and put it into myself. And I think so that is going to shock many. Okay. See, at the end of the day, people forget, even though you are this loving, caring, nurturing person, but at the end of the day, you have this queen's energy. Okay. And it's like that level of respect should be coming back to you. And if you are loving, caring, and showing concern to others, they they should be respecting you by returning that love, care, and concern to you. Okay, not in a similar fashion but maybe through other ways and means, but that's not happening. Okay, a queen or a king, they need to be respected for who they are. And if that is not happening, then you better withdraw yourself, and that's what you are doing. You're withdrawing your from all the situations. You're withdrawing the love, care, and concern, and you're putting that energy back into you. You're showing that love to yourself, so you'll find yourself taking care of yourself. Going and visiting the spas and doing things. Probably also feel like you're going to change your wardrobe, you're going to hit the gym, you're going to reduce your weight, increase your weight, whatever you want to achieve. Weight loss, weight gain, tone up, tone down of the body. For some of you, you're going to you're going to go on a solo vacation somewhere. Okay, you're going to treat yourself in a very nice manner. And even say for example, even if you don't go on a vacation, you probably might book 2 nights in some in a five-star hotel, and you will just go and relax over there. You will be like, I'm working so hard for so hard, but you know what, it's time for me to rest and rejuvenate. It's time for me to pamper myself, right? So I do see you showing that energy to yourself a lot. Moving on towards your love life, we have the Magician. You are coming across as someone very, very, very powerful when it comes to manifesting the desired love. Okay, it is very likely, Pisces, that you will manifest the person of your dreams, or a person who will fulfill all of your expectations. Okay, a total package is what I'm hearing. You do have a list of expectations when it comes to your romantic partner. Like, the person should be loving, caring, and nurturing. The person should be making so much of amount of money. They should look in a certain way. They should be whatever it is. Whatever it is, they should be having a job, or they should be doing something of their own, or whatever it is, XYZ thing. Okay, your expectations are getting fulfilled, and you are attracting someone very wise, very mature. We'll discuss the details about your person when we'll be coming to this logo spread. Okay, but the overall message is that you are coming across as very powerful manifester, and your manifestation energies are so freaking strong. Because of that, you will also notice that actually you will end up getting a lot of attention towards yourself from many people. Okay, many people will be showing interest in you, but it's not that you're trying to manifest everyone. You're trying to manifest that one specific person who will be right for you. Okay, but your manifestation powers are so strong, powerful, magnetic, that many people will show a lot of attention to you. That is something that you'll observe. When it comes to your career and finances, we have Knight of Swords. Again, quick actions are warranted. Do not tolerate any kind of BS. Okay, value. You will find yourself valuing your time, energy, and your skills. If people who do not trust people who do not trust your skills, people who do not trust what you have to offer, I think so you're gonna cut off ties with them real fast, because you also have Ten of Wands over here. So you're coming across as a shrewd businessman, but that's actually going to help you become very productive, and that's actually going to help your business to rise up. Okay, because you are associating yourself with only those people who are ready to put in the necessary work to reach whatever goals you have, and that will actually help you. That is why we also have the Sun card over here, right? Like, you're becoming a very shrewd business person. That's what I'm hearing. A no nonsense business person. As far as the health is concerned, we have the Moon, and somehow I feel, Pisces, rather than you, this is more connected to your mother. Okay, because Moon energy is always connected to the mother. So for some of you, I think so you will find yourself pretty much busy in taking care of your mom's health. Okay, nothing serious, nothing to worry about. But again, I do feel like there will be times when you will find yourself becoming slightly concerned about your mom's health, and you. It is also quite possible that you might keep your work aside, and you will be like, no, I want to pay attention to my mother's health. Let me dedicate some time to take care of her, and etc. Something of that. That's what I'm feeling. So rather than you, this is more looking like more concerned with your mom. Okay. As far as your love life, if we have to talk in detail about your love life, we have Six of Pentacles, and then we have the Emperor. uh, I strongly feel, Pisces, that you are moving towards situations, or you're manifesting a connection which will bring a lot of emotional stability, lot of happiness, lot of stability. The In all of the previous connections, you experienced a lot of uncertainty. You were extremely unsure of your partner's intentions. But whoever this new person is entering in your life, I'm pretty sure that this person will give you the necessary clarity, and they won't be playing around with you. They will be here to take care of you. They will be here to let you know that you're important, and you matter to me, and what you feel is important, your happiness is important. And I think so you will reciprocate this person's energy very well. Okay, And I do see that it's a you and this person are coming across as pretty happy, one happy couple, right? For some of you, there is going to be an age gap between you and this person. For some of you, this is your boss or an ex boss. For some of you, yeah, when I say age gap, it's quite possible like this person can be elder to you or can also be younger to you. Doesn't have to be necessarily be elder only and be younger only to you. No. Okay, it can be either way. For others of you, for very few of you, Aquarius, sorry, Pisces, I do feel that someone from the past will put in a lot of efforts to be with you. Okay, they are coming towards you as a better version of themselves. They are coming towards you and they will try to show you that I really want you, I really love you, and I am ready to put in the necessary efforts to win your heart. Okay, if your family's approval is extremely important, this person will show that, I will do anything to win your family's approval, something of that sort. They are going to put in a lot of sincere efforts to win you, or to win you over. As far as your career and finances are concerned, Pisces, we have 10 of wands and we have the sun. uh, there are multiple good news that are coming towards you when it comes to career and finances, because there is a lot of joy, happiness, and some celebration might happen, promotion might happen. You might grab a big clientele, you might attract new clients, lot of clients, and because of which there is going to be a surge in the income. But at the same time, I also see like there are your work, your career is undergoing a lot of changes with turn of wands. Okay, there might be a switch in the career that is happening. For some of you, you might get relocated, and then you might start job or your business over there. There are changes that are happening, but these changes are ultimately they're going to give you a lot of happiness. Okay, that's what I see. There are changes that are happening, embrace those changes. Okay, that's what I feel. There are new beginnings that are happening. For some of you, you're attracting the love of your life. Okay, so I do see that you're going to have very powerful next 6 7 months. Okay, I hope this resonates, and hit like, share, and subscribe and comment down below. Okay, link for the extended is in description box and comment section. If you're interested in a personal reading, you can get in touch with me over the mail. The details of the same are in description box and comment section. Take care, have a great time, and bye bye.